Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got OnePlus Ace 2V, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now we have to tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are inactive, so we cannot customize them. It is because we are using automatic options. So first of all, let's turn off both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change it according to your needs. The same situation with the time, just pick the time you want to set. As you can see, it will be immediately applied on the status bar. We can also change the time zone, so simply tap on this option and we will be transferred to the list of available time zones, so simply find yours and tap on it. So let me pick this one, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It is always affected by the time zone. Here you can decide whether you want to use the dual clock, which simply means right now it is turned off, but if you want to, you can just tap on the switcher, and basically you will have to set your usual residence, so your device will be able to display two different clocks. The first one with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second clock from the place of your choice. Basically you can pick whatever you want, so just set the usual residence, etc. What is more, you can customize the time format, so currently we are using 24-hour one, but you can pick 12-hour also if you want to. Alright, so basically that will be all. This is how to manually customize the date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here, and that was a misclick, of course. Those switchers, and everything will be set automatically again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.